So we're playing new stage tower for today's video. So let's start, guys. I'm here with my friend, but that person is not my friend. Let's go parkour. I'm new here at Roblox and YouTube pala. So, oh my god, what is this? What going to do? What going to do? I just did not press this. Yeah, I press it. Jump. So guys, I'm here with my friend. Who is that? My friend is in Roblox. She has YouTube too, so let's go. But she's on another level, guys, so she left me.
How about you run?
Pili, nasa na ka?
Nana ko sa pinakataas.
Wala, gibiyaan ko sa person.
Sorry, Day. Ano naman yung kayo ko? As in, nana ko sa kuwan.
May pa ko.
Nana ko sa second level.
Wala. Mang sa
Hulatong tika, hulatong tika. Hulatong tika. Hulatong tika, hulatong tika.
Sure ka?
Oh, hulatong tika, hulatong tika.
Ayaw!
Hulatong tika sa stage 2. Ha?
Sige, day. Wala, tibi ako, day. Bantay lang yung ka, day. Day, asa naman ka, day?
Nana. Agoy na.
Agoy.
Nahulog man ko sa stage 2.
Ano, nahulog man ka, banga man ka.
Alam tayo, gituklod ta ni Bacon.
Tuklod ka sa may buot.
Yes.
Awa ko, pro kay ko, day. Di ba, nag-video call ta?
O, Day.
So, pro kay ko, day. So, guys, I'm here with my friend pala, Crystalline Ganlason.
So, hi guys.
She have an YouTube. What's your YouTube?
Crystalline Ganlason Love. Thank you.
So, guys, so, I'm noob at parkour. But Crystalline is not noob, so she can go as fast as she can.
Yes, guys. Sorry, Day. Nana ko sa stage 3.
Sana all.
Hulatong tika, promise. Gituklod man dyan ko ni Bacon na to outro. Ha? Day.
Oh, sige, day. Sige. Yes! So, yung pamangkin ko pala, guys.
Hi, bye.
Day, asa naman ka, day, oy.
Hi, bye. Nana ko sa layo, Day. Bye.
Sinday na unsa. Wala ka namatay?
Wala.
May pa siya. Wala siya namatay. Wala siya namatay, bay. Sana all. Sige, rabi ako kamatay, day.
Nga naman, Day.
Banga man kayo ko. Uy, ba't ka tumatawa, day?
Alam, Day. Gituklod na ni Bacon.
Nakaulit ka ni Bacon.
Yes. Listen, sad. I don't like bacons.
You don't like bacon, but you're bacon. Ah. Oh. So guys,
Asa na ka, day?
napa ko sa ubusoy. Asa na ka? Stage 4?
Yes, yung latang kayo tika. As in, super.
So guys, see you later guys. I'm going with part 2 guys. Sorry kay nabalata mo. Sorry for that because charot lang. Hindi ako part 2 no ano kayo. Uy,
Day, asa na ka, day? Asa na ka, day? Day, asa na ka?
na ako sa earth.
Hala ay. Abi na kung gana ka sa kuan. Stage 2.
Wala oy, giliban ta ka. Bala ka diya.
Alo, day, lain na kayo na yung mo. Ay, mo dyan kasi mo balik.
Wala, bitaw ka. Ano, gilibang ka.
But?
So guys, bye-bye guys. Welcome for part 2.